and all my fellow schoolmates from Camp Top International School. Today we're gonna present about this thing right here and for our class project. And this thing is actually called Hydroponic farming method.
So to build this hydroponic farming working model, we carefully selected simple materials but very important. So first we have the battery. So it is the main source of the power, which it provides energy to the system. And second, we use the switch, as you can see here. It is to control the flow of the electricity. It allows us to turn the system off and on easily. And third, we have this DC water pump, as you can see inside the white thingy. So this is one of the most important components because it pushes the water from the container, the water that will be in the container, and it pushes it up into the tray. And we also have this thing to connect the switch, the pump, and also the battery in order for it to work. And we also got these transparent pipes, which these pipes allows the water to flow through and also allows us to see the water movement easily. And next we also we place the plants in the plastic trays, acting as the growing area. And for this demonstration purposes, we only use artificial plants, which is the fake plants. But in real hydroponic farming, we can actually grow real plants, real vegetables, like spinach or something like that. Yeah, we can actually grow real plants. So for now, my teammate will explain how the process works step by step.
For now, I will explain the process of how our hydroponic systems actually works. As you can see, at the bottom of our system, there is a container that will store water. Imagine it as nutrients water. When we turn on the switch, the electricity will flow through the battery, from the battery through the wire into the DC water pump. And the pump will push the water, the nutrients water, through the transparent pipe into the tray above. After flowing through the tray, the extra water will goes back into the small pipe right here, into the container right back. And this creates a continuous process of systems, and this saves water and maintain or ensures constant supplies or nutrients for the plant. For now and finally, we will show and demonstrate how our systems work.
The power from the batteries, it will go to the pump, and then the batteries will make the power go to the pump, and then it will go up here, and then there's a hole at the bottom. It will fall down, and the switch, it can turn the water off and on. Yep. And this thing right here, it is to control the power. See that? Yeah. And now we're gonna explain the importance of this thing, why people use it.
So hydroponic farming method, it has a lot of advantages. And for the first advantages is that it saves water because it is recycled. As you can see, it flows up and it goes right down. So the water is recycling. Second, it's a safe area, which means that it takes up really little space, and it can also be used in big cities or smaller areas. For the third advantage is that plants can grow faster because the nutrients, the water, it flows straight into the roots, so plants can easily get the nutrients, and it's also much faster. Last but not least is that this can help prevent diseases that are caused by germs in the roots. In the future, hydroponic farming method can help solve many problems like food shortage, climate change, and a lot more problems like limited farmland. In conclusion, our hydroponic farming model help demonstrate about how water can be recycled and how important it is. So from this, we hope you all learned something new. Thank you everyone for listening.
Chem Talk ផ្ដល់សេវាកម្មអប់រំប្រកបដោយគុណភាពគុណធម៌ឧត្តមភាពនិងជាជំរឿនដ៏ល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់បុត្រធីតាលោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណ